Hi guys, first of all, thank you so very much for coming here. I know it was mandatory, but it's a very important day for me, very emotional day to be honest. I just keep my emotions under control on this day. Um, Generally I have this habit of giving the old story of mine, which is Amitabh Bachchan and Jayaprada. But I have realized that you guys are very young and most of you might not relate to that. So I just thought about it, and in the context of the fact that you guys are in that tender age where life will be all about fun, at the same time having to make a career for yourself. I really thought I'll summarize this into, what I could term it as 3 P's, right? Having heard a lot of this motivational speakers and stuff like that, I thought I'll summarize it in that sense. But whatever I'm going to speak as of now, it's very important, and I would really hope that you all listen to it very carefully, right? So there are 3 things which are very important to take you ahead in your career. The first one, and keep this in mind, is perseverance, right? 11 years of my tenure in MARC and before that has not been easy. There are a lot of sacrifices to be done. There will be days when you will have horrible days. I mean, whether it's your personal life, whether it's your professional life, what is most important is to trust and believe in yourself, right? Persevere is the word. The next morning when you get up, I always got up with the feeling that today is going to be a better day, right? And you have to keep that in mind. There have been occasions where at one point of time, a few of my best staff has left. The landlord has told us you have to leave the place. Best of our contracts have gone. It seemed like the end of the world. You didn't know what's going to come next. Most important, believe in yourself, trust yourself, and persevere. In CA exam, we always say that it doesn't matter how many times you fail. If you trust yourself, believe yourself, go for it, and one day you'll achieve, right? Second is practice. See, there is no substitute for practice. Okay, you guys might be very smart out of college. In Goa, there is a little sad thing that 2 of our friends tells us you guys are really good, and we start believing it, right? But nothing substitutes practice. When you come into an organization, ensure that you do those things day in and day out, whether it's MARC or any other place, right? The more you're going to repeat those things, the more you're going to, keep doing it, you're going to get better at it, right? So you need to keep this in mind that practice is one of the most important things you have to keep on doing to be better in what you do, right? Last and most important, and just keep this in mind irrespective of how successful you are in your career or not, principles. Ethics, never let go of them, okay? You will find a few people going upwards in terms of riches, in terms of careers, in terms of life quickly. There could be some hidden kind of a thing in them. Maybe they did some great deeds in the last life, or they are really fantastic enough. But for rest of us, hard work is what will matter. But in this pursuit, please remember, keep doing it in the right amount of principles and ethics, right? One thing you have to ensure that when you sleep at the end of the night, you're sleeping a sound sleep. Don't sleep with any of your pain on your heart that what have I done? Have I cheated someone? Have I, done something which my parents had not taught me to do? Correct? Whether you are 25 years of age or 50 or 75 does not matter, right? But the principles taught to you, follow them, right? One of my wish always is that I see the same faces throughout the journey from here on. MARC is an organization which is going to allow you to learn, to grow, sitting right here in Goa. See, maybe some of you don't understand, but staying away from your families in the pursuit of your career is not easy, right? I have encountered everything from a 10 square meter room. I don't know whether you all know, 10 square meter will not even be equal to your bedroom, right? I've stayed in places like that. I still remember one evening where it was raining heavily, and I literally had to wait for the bus. I had no option. I was drenched. I got into the bus, got to Goa, just hoping I don't get pneumonia or some other thing, right? So all kinds of hard works have been done for whatever little we have achieved till now, right? MARC is allowing this to you right here in Goa, where you can go to your parents, have the comfort of your family members, eat your home food. All we are hoping is you'll also give your 100% from a career perspective to your work, right? That's it, guys. I wish you the very best, and as I said, I'm just hoping that we have many more of these years. The family grows to 100 and plus. We go to not only rest of the states in the country but internationally as well, on which we are on a pursuit. So thank you very much, and all the best to all of you. Thanks.